What's up, YouTube? Welcome back for another video. So, if you haven't seen my last video of the Flowmaster Super 10 1 year later comparison, first off, go check that out. But while we're on the topic of having the truck for that 1 year mark, I've gotten this question several times. That is kind of what all is done to the truck and how much has it costed up to this point. So I'm going to give you guys a 1 year build breakdown, where the truck sits now, and what all I have planned moving forward with the truck. So I'm just going to be going in order of basically when it was installed or done, not necessarily by price, and then I'll add it up all at the end. We are in the garage because it's super windy out today, and it's supposed to be super windy for like the next week. So, and I wanted to get this video done and out to you guys. So yeah, let's get started. First thing starting off, obviously, is the truck. I purchased the truck. It was pretty much $30,000 after tax, title, license, all those fees. Out the door, I was at right about $30,000. It's a 2016. It had 21,000 miles when I bought it. It has 35 now, so I put about 14,000 miles on it in a year. First thing I did to it was the Flowmaster Super 10. The muffler was $80 and it was $50 to have it installed by the shop, so I had $130 into the exhausts. Next thing I did was I debadged it and put on black emblems, which were $25, and then I later added white overlays, which was another $25, so I have $50 in the way the emblems currently sit. After that, I installed the tailgate light bar, which was $30. Next was the Supreme Suspension 2.5-inch leveling kit that I also combined with the Mevotech upper control arms. The leveling kit was $70. The upper control arms were $100. I smoked the taillights myself, which if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. That all in all, with sandpaper, clear coat, supplies, was about $30. And then I did the running boards. They are the APS 5-inch I-boards, which were $200. I bought pre-cut window tint for $50. Did it all myself. Painted the front and rear emblems. They are the stock chrome ones that I sanded down, painted black and white for about $20. Then I also vinyl wrapped the fog lights, smoked vinyl, for about $20. Then I color matched the mirrors, which again I have a video for, was about $50 all in all in parts. I swapped out the license plate lights and the LED and the reverse lights for LEDs, about $40. I removed the grill and the bumpers and I color matched that all myself. That was about, I don't remember the exact dollar amount there, it was like $300 to $350 I spent in supplies. Then came my wheels and tires. They are 33 by 12.5 inch Fury Country Hunter RTs, and the wheels are 20 by 12 Anthem Enforcers with a -24 offset, and they were about $2,000. After that came the RGBW rock lights. They are by Mick Tuning. They were about $50. I did the bullet antenna, which was $30. And then came my headlight build. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go check it out. But I have, since building those headlights the first time, which I made a video on, I've actually reopened them and redid them because my Demon Eyes failed after like a month. They just stopped working, and I didn't like the projectors. They didn't give out a good clean cutoff line. So all in all, when I first built the headlights, I spent about $600. That's not including the price of headlights, because I did receive OEM headlights for free, which those are about $300. So I would have I would have had about $900 in first building them, but like I said, the headlights were free. But I did reopen them, and I did new shrouds, new projectors, and I did a halo ring around the projector instead of the demon eyes, which was about another $200. So I have about $800 in the headlights. And then the last thing I have recently done is I got the exhaust tips powder coated gloss black, which was 50 bucks. So all in all, not including the truck, I have spent $4,070 roughly. We'll just say $4,100, and everything you see on the truck right now as it sits. So all in all, invested in the truck, I am about $34,100 into the truck. Now, there's still obviously a lot to do, and people will say, "Bah, bah, it's just wheels and tires, that's not a build, bah, bah, bah." But it's a build to me, and I'm proud to say that everything you see on the truck, I have done myself. Minus the exhausts, because I don't have a welder, I don't know how to weld, but the headlights, the color match bumpers, the tail lights, installing the leveling kit, everything is DIY. It was all done at home, which saves you a lot of money in shop time. But what's still to come is just other small things, cold air intake, different grill. I'm looking at off-road bumpers. I mentioned in my previous video that I'm doing a full 4-brake swap to power stops. I want to go bigger, as in height, looking at a 4 to 6 inch lift, with which I will either run 35s or 37s, so there will be new wheels and tires to come, which I will, with the name of this, with the way this channel goes, everything is DIY. I will be installing whatever lift I buy. I will be installing it at home, right here, probably by myself, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, guys, that's the video. I'm going to go ahead and do just a little walk around montage of the truck so you can kind of see exactly where it sits right now, completely finished. So if you have any questions, drop a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more of this truck build to come. Until next time, peace.